boots. The boots are $19.99 and the humidifier is $19.99 also. Okay, y'all, so these are the boots. They're real comfortable too. They were $19.99. Alright, we're getting ready to hook up this humidifier we got from ALDI's for $19.99. Alright, so it comes with instructions. Ultrasonic cool mist humidifier. And you get those two pieces right there. Alright, I thought it was bigger than this. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. Let's open. I guess this is the top part of it, y'all. Alright, so it comes with these. You could put your extension oils on there. You got to buy that separately. So I went and got this from Walmart for $5. Alright, so you put your essential oil in here. So you pull the tray out like that. Then it comes with one already in there. So you just drop your oil on here.
On here, there you go. You going.
Then you take the top off right here. This is where you put your water at, y'all. And you put the water in. Then you're gonna screw the top back on, y'all. Alright, then you put the top back on. Leave a comment down below if you ever used this one before. So now we can just plug it in. So now we're gonna turn it on. You can set it to whatever setting you want it on. And there it is, y'all. And then also it has the LED lights on here. And you also can turn this part up here too to whatever direction you want it on. We're gonna put it this way. And it turns colors, y'all. And there you have it. I got this from ALDI's for $19.99. One of the ALDI's find for the week in our state. See you on the next video.
Let's see it.